Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify your Sendwave account. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch up Sendwave after you've selected your recipient, how much you're going to be sending, and then click here on continue to send. First you need to enter your personal information, so your legal name, your date of birth, purpose of your account, okay? What are your primary reasons for transferring through Sendwave? Just check all of them that apply. Click on continue. You need to enter your residential address, your billing address, zip code, city, state, things like that. So once you've entered all of that, click here on finish. And now you need to verify your identity to actually continue. So what they'll do, they'll ask you to take a picture of your identity document and then just click here on continue. Just select your country and the document, okay? So whatever your country is, select that, and then you select the document, whether it's a residence permit, national ID card, or a passport. Let's say it is a passport for the United States. Click on continue. Take a clear picture of your passport, such as this. Then click on continue, and then just verify your identity. So first you need to record a video of your face, okay? Then click here on start. And then once you've taken your passport photo, okay, you submit that, and then you start recording a video of your face. You just position your face in the frame, and then you turn your head slowly to both the sides, and then just click here on start recording. And once the recording is done, your account should be verified. And that is how you do it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.